There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in Redline 2-Coat Pearl. With BI-XENON HID projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TRACK system, heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5883.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.